say that the drug book, DB for drug book, states that it's okay to give 0.5 milligrams per kilogram for every 6 hours of, let's say, Tylenol to a child that weighs 50 pounds. Okay. How much can you give? There's two parts of this question. The first one is, how much can you give every 6 hours? And then the second question is, how much can you give per day total? So again, the drug book says that you can give 0.5 milligrams for every kilogram every 6 hours of Tylenol. The child weighs 50 pounds. My first question is, how much can you give every 6 hours, every dose? And then how much are you giving for the whole day?
Let me attempt to do this.
Yeah, of course.
Can you go over it, or can you
Yeah, absolutely.
kind of break it down? Because
No worries, no worries. So with this one, this is your formula, right? This is your question. This is your formula. The first thing you do in these milligrams per kilogram questions, if you have to, you have to get your weight to kilograms. So you do that by getting your pounds and you divide it by 2.2. This is going to give you 11 point something. Can you tell me exactly what it's going to be? I'm sorry, not I take that back. It's going to give you 20 something.
23.
23. Okay. 23 even?
No, it's like 22 point something. So I just rounded up. Let me see. I think it's 22.7.
22.7? Okay.
Yes.
We'll round into the whole number. Okay. 23. And then that's 23 kilograms. Now, the second thing you do is you multiply your kilograms by, by your milligrams. So that would be 23 times 0.5. And what does that give you?
Oh, 11.5. I don't know how that. Huh?
Yeah, is that correct?
That's what my calculator
Yeah, that's fair enough.
says.
Next time when you do these, just keep this in mind. The kilograms don't round. Just keep it to whatever it is.
Okay.
So because the 11.5 is a little bit high, but it'll still give you you'll still practice the same idea. You know what I mean? All right. So
Okay.
11.5. So that's how much you can give. How often?
Every 6 hours?
Right. Every dose. Right. So that's 11.5. That's how much you give every dose. Now I'm asking you, how many can you give in a day? How many hours in a day?
24.
How often can you give a medication if you're giving it every 6 hours?
4.
That's right. So what you do is you get that 11.5 and multiply it by 4. And that's going to give you like 45 or something.
Yes.
0,
46.
46. So 46. And that's how much you can give every day. 46, milligrams. Does that make sense?
Yes.
But do not round the weight. Keep it as it is. Let's say if the weight was 22.76, whatever, just stop here. Don't round.
Okay.
Just stop at the 10th place and then multiply that by your milligrams right here again. Okay, because the answer should have been a little bit less than 11. It should have been under 11.5.
Okay.
All right. Any questions on this one?
No.